The HOVERair X1 PROMAX is a selfie drone. You can control it directly on the drone itself. But there's other ways how you can control it. In this video, you want to focus on controlling it with your phone. This video is sponsored by HOVERair. First, we need to turn on the X1 PROMAX. As usual, we just press the button here, and then it comes up. And now we take out our phone and open up the HOVERair app. My HOVERair is connected. As you can see at the bottom, there's something called Smart Preview and Manual Control. We will go into those in a moment. But right now, I want to go to the hover settings. And as you can see here, you have all the different modes here. And you can actually choose the quick modes directly from here. So right now I want to do some zoom out. I can change the parameters here, and then at the very end I say, what do we have here? 50 meter low altitude, that's fine. You want to go a little bit higher. You want to go raise. Okay, perfect. And what the active rear collision is detection is on. Perfect. And I want to switch it to this mode. Zoom out. And then we just start it like we would normally, and then off it goes.
15 meters. Zoom out.
Off it goes. Now there's also something called Smart Preview. Let's click on Smart Preview. It's connecting to the HOVERair there. Join. Takes a while. And now I can see the view of the drone. So while flying, you can just hit Smart Preview. You can see what the drone is saying. You can also do this from the very beginning. This way, you don't have to wait for it. Let's go one more time here. I want to switch to bird's eye here.
Bird's eye.
Bird's eye. Let's go back. And let's go to Smart Preview. Let's take off.
Long distance detected. Please ensure ample flight space.
There is.
30 meters. Bird's eye.
And as you can see on the Smart Preview, there is also a manual control button. So if I click manual control, I can now manually fly the drone. I can come down, turn around this way. I can move up the camera here. So I have basically fully manual control, and I can do this while I'm in Smart Preview, and I can just go ahead and fly the drone in manual mode. That's pretty cool. Let's bring the drone back home. Let's turn around here. Okay, let's come down a little bit here. Yes, the drone is coming here. And rising all the way up there. So once I'm done, I can hit return to home also on the screen here and return. It automatically comes home to me. Sorry, I had to get out of screen because it just landed a little bit over there. But that's great, eh? You are in the middle of doing a predefined flight, and then you can just switch over to manual control, and it's all from your phone. As you can see on the screen, you have like a joystick, left, right, up, down, turning around. It's pretty cool. Actually, I want to do a follow. Switch to follow.
Follow.
Okay, perfect. Let's get it started here.
Far. Follow.
The smart preview. And now I have to walk, otherwise it thinks cannot come. But it's pretty cool. I can actually see here what the drone is doing. Obviously now I'm facing it, so actually I can talk better to the camera. But the drone is just basically following me, whatever I do, and I can control it. I can see the camera of the drone, and it's pretty cool here. Now I'm coming closer again. And if I want to switch back again to manual control like I just did before, I just click on manual control here.
Updated.
And now it's manual control.
Is now the home point.
But that's what the issue is. The current position is now the home point is over there. That's where I started manual control. But in order to record again, I need to hit recording. And this I think I did not before. So now I can just manually control it again. And off goes the drone. Let's turn it around. Okay. Let's bring the drone home. Now we want to come home manually. Let's just turn it around again. And let's get the drone to us here. Okay, let's just hit land, eh? If we hit land, it automatically comes to us. Not sure if you saw that, because I must have maybe out of frame again. But if you hit land, it's just there. Okay, let's stop here. So what do you think about the extra functionalities we gain when using your phone with the HOVERair X1 PROMAX? Would you use it? Leave a comment below. And if you want to learn more about the HOVERair X1 PROMAX, there's a link in the description. Prime Day is live June 23 to 26 with up to 20% off. Shop now before it ends. Check out this video next to learn more about filmmaking and filmmaking gear and how to use them. Thanks for watching. See you next one. Bye for now.